So randomly scrambled cube and starting. Pair of green there. Yeah. Okay, let's go speed here. Ha, got the white cross and all the white. Let's do this. Whew. Rubik's Cube is life, man. Woo-hoo. Let's do this. Okay, now I need to solve the yellow. It got everything from solve the first two layers. Now let's solve the yellow. What is that? Face. Turn, boom, 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 boom. Okay, I've solved that. What's that? What is this one? R U R U R U U R. Okay, solve the yellow on that. Okay, found a red here. Man, I get confused on some of these. I'm guessing R prime, F prime, R prime, back, back, R prime, back, back, R prime, R prime. Yes! There we go. Got an orange. Oh my god. I could solve this in 1 second. Wait, which direction am I trying to go? Oh shoot, this is not that hard. Step 7. Okay, I'm going to go this way. I just need to swap these. So we'll go F2. So face turn, U, L, right, face turn, back, L, R, U, and F, so boom, boom, like that. Okay, now I have only I only have this left to go, so I need to get it here and then here. So I'm going to be going this way, which I will perform a different algorithm. F2, U, I. This way. L, R, face. L, R, U. Done. See that, guys? That's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Here's my time. Peace out.